Hello everyone and welcome to Poetically Christian, the channel that's designed for thought and fun, while always putting God first with Christ his Son. If this sounds like what you've been looking for and you're new to the channel, won't you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you won't miss anything that we do here. And remember, it's always free. Folks, welcome to another edition of the D&B Christian Game Night, Episode 2. In Episode 1, me and my wife battled it out in a game called Burnout Revenge. And if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. But tonight, Episode 2, we're going bowling. Yes, that's right. Me and my wife are going to battle it out in a game called PBA Pro Bowling. Now this is a season-long challenge where each episode me and my wife compete in a new video game. And the winner of each episode gets to determine which Bible verses we review for that day. And at the end of the season, whoever has had the most video game victories gets to have dinner made for them. Yes, that's right. The loser at the end of the season will have to make the winner dinner. So you can choose in the comments below whether you want to be on Team D or Team B. So here in Episode 2, go ahead and grab that virtual bowling ball. Strap on those Rena shoes and join us on the lanes. I hope you enjoy. Alright folks, here we are again for another edition of the B&D Christian Game Night. And today we're going to be competing once again for the chance to read our favorite Bible verses. It's going to be Team D, that's me, Derek, taking on my beautiful wife, Team B, that's Brandy. You see how I did there? Even if I lose, I win. So, today we're going to be competing on a game called PBA Bowling. So, if you wanted to go bowling, here's your chance. You can live vicariously through a video game and take it to the lane. So today we're going to try to see if we can bowl better in virtual land than I do in real life. So if you're rooting for Team D, let us know in the comments below. And if you're on Team B, also let us know in the comments below. And whoever wins, if it made you happy, let us know why. So today, here we go. My first shot. And let's see how well I do with this. All right, come on, strike.
Oh, one pin left.
Oh, not too bad. Oh, just missed it. So here we go, folks. I'm going to try to get this going here. Let's see if I can pick up a spare. In real life, I'm not very good at this, but I get to try to be a little better. Oh, it's good.
Just missed it. No.
The field goal's no good.
He can't afford many more of those.
So
You're playing against me. He can afford as many of those as he wants.
the commentators aren't on my side. So here's Bran. Ooh.
No.
Oh no. It literally is the field goal post. Oh, no.
Oh, dear.
You see the tour average there. Not good.
Not good. That's what he says. I agree. If she makes this, I'll tell you, I'm in trouble.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's good.
I made a field
3
goal.
points. It's good.
Oh.
All right.
Fiddlesticks.
Refocus and move on to the next shot.
All right, here we go,
We're
folks.
going to chalk this up to experience.
Oh,
You got a
yeah.
strike. Oh.
There we go. That's what I like to see. Isn't that a beautiful thing? Woohoo! All right.
Got the little audience clapping.
Yeah, a little golf clap.
All right.
Even though it's bowling. Ooh, it looks good. Oh!
Oh, stayed up. Oh, I got another field goal.
It stuck it. Oh, I can't believe it.
Picks up 8 pins.
That looks that looks so good.
Side teetering. It should have fell
Oh,
over.
that looks so good.
Oh, I was robbed.
It looks so good, I'm telling you.
I was robbed.
Here we go.
Yes! I got one! I got one!
Yeah.
Hey, I got 9.
1 out of 2 ain't bad.
Or whatever it is.
Put the ball where it needed
Ooh.
to be. Looking for
I got one.
All right. Can he make it 2 in a row? Can he strike twice?
Oh,
Oh,
he did.
2
Wow. Oh, I didn't
Right
get a
on,
chance.
and the pressure is cranked up.
The pressure's
The
cranked
heat
up.
is
All
on.
right, here we go.
Okay.
Brand starting the approach. Ooh. Yeah! I'll see your strike and answer with one, she says. Look at
I
this.
didn't get those in real
Woo!
life.
Look at that. Yeah, wouldn't you? It'd be great if you could bowl as good in real life as you can on this.
Someone is
Give me the bumpers.
Yeah!
Oh my golly.
3 in a row.
After 3, don't you get like a turkey or something?
That's a turkey, you betcha. And it ain't even Thanksgiving.
Gobble, gobble.
Woohoo! We'll take it.
Oh my golly.
Although there's been a lot of wild ones flying around.
Mostly mine. Oh, I laughed! That's
Oh!
I laughed!
Now you got a chance to pick up the spare, yeah?
I'm sorry. I only got 2 pins. That's not a spare. That's a whole entire plate.
See how they approach this.
All
There's
right, here we
nothing
go.
spare about these.
Just basically fire out like you normally would. Oh! She picked up the spare. Look at this. That was beautiful. Oh.
I didn't laugh that time.
There you go.
Turkey trying to
Well-
upgrade to a ham bone.
Well, folks, I got the turkey. Can I get a ham bone, as they say? Let's see what we can do here.
How do you take turkey and turn it into ham?
Oh!
He
He got a ham!
Oh my god.
I'm ready for... Forget Thanksgiving. I'm ready for Christmas. I got the ham. Woohoo!
You are being a ham.
There we go.
Oh, golly. Oh, no.
Who do you think's going to win, folks? Are you liking this? Oh!
Oh, no. I got 3 left. I don't know what my problem is. I don't like that side, apparently.
Folks, if you're as bad at bowling in real life as I am, let us know in the comments below.
As our graphic
All
shows,
right,
pros
here
will
we
usually
go.
make this one.
I got it! Woohoo!
No problem on that one.
I got it.
Looking to keep the streak alive, going for 5 in a row.
Ooh.
After 4, they don't even have a name for it. It's just 5. Here we go. No ham bones, no turkeys. I don't know what this is.
Showing off.
Oh!
One pin left.
It's stuck. Oh, it's stuck.
They glued it in place.
Oh. Oh.
100% conversion rate on the 7. That's your tour average.
Oh, for some reason I don't like when I have to go down the left side of the lane. I don't do very good. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Oh, you don't like what?
Whew. I'm always worried it's going to go in the gutter.
Never fear, mate. You got this one.
Whew.
All right.
Well, you beat me in the last one.
Oh,
If you watched last week's video, and if you missed it, go ahead and check it out as
Takes out 7 pins.
we battled it out in Burnout Revenge. That was an interesting. You want to check out that video, go ahead.
All right. Let me
Can
see.
she pick up this spare?
All right. No way. I'm going
That's
to
a
try
pretty
to aim
wow.
for
Look at
these
this.
2.
I'd rather take 2 than 1.
Yeah, that's what I thought. 2 is better than...
Oh!
It just missed the
Let's see the
bird.
replay of that. How in the world?
Oh.
Oh, that was so
it
close.
slid right past it. That's
That
that
was
same
so
pin
close.
they glued down on you.
All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, no.
One pin. Oh.
There's some Gorilla Glue on these guys. Oh, man.
Pros convert the 9.
There we go. All right.
5% of the time.
Am I going to miss? I'm going to miss.
No, you're not.
Oh,
Ooh.
Got the spare.
Phew. Oh, got it.
Alrighty. Let's see. There's a negative 58 next to me. That's probably not good.
Negative 58. How can you be negative?
Meaning I'm probably 58 down from you. I don't
Oh,
know.
okay.
Oh, that's so
Oh,
ugly.
hey, but
Picks up 6 there.
you got a chance to
It's
get.
doable.
At least all of them are on the same side.
Well, sort of.
Sort of.
Oh, it's doable, but maybe. I don't know. It's doable for somebody other than me. We'll try it. We'll give it a whirl.
Most of them are on the same side. That one's going to stick out there, though.
Oh,
Nice shot. Let's see that in an instant replay. That was crazy.
Woohoo!
Beautiful.
It can be done.
Wow, that was pretty. All right, here we go.
Yeah, you're plus 58. Oh, you got another strike!
Woohoo!
Wow!
That was pretty.
Man, I wish you really did bowl like this in real life.
Here's the max scores if both players strike out.
Okay, and I'm looking here. We are max scores 247 would be you. I'd be 189.
Is this still my turn?
Nope, it's
No,
my
all right,
turn.
it's your turn. All right.
I'm going.
I couldn't remember what frame we were in.
Nope. Cancel my throw. I'm looking here. Now it's got all this pressure because it says if we strike out.
Oh!
I still messed
Oh.
up.
There, leaving the 6-9-10.
Whoa! That was kind of wild.
Hey, at least I got 3 left and they're together and there's
Yeah.
one in the corner. I got a fighting chance on taking them out.
You got a chance of getting this spare, that's for sure.
Okay. Woohoo!
Ooh.
I unhooked my ball like I usually do.
Pretty.
Looking for the double.
All right, can he do
Alright,
2 in a
we're
row?
going into the 9th frame.
Oh,
Oh, you did the same thing I just did.
Leaving the 6-9-10. There it is. He wins the match.
Oh, you're already saying he won and I might as well not even finish. You guys, that's not very nice.
All
He
right.
wins the match. Well, then why are we still playing? That doesn't seem very nice.
Oh,
See,
no.
they're in my head now. I can't even bowl right. Big old meanies.
Well, you beat me.
No.
Pretty good.
Oh, well, and the other one.
What will happen here?
I don't know. What will happen here? We're gonna give it a whirl. Oh, look at that ugly little pin sitting there staring at me. It's laughing at me.
It is laughing at you.
Frustration carrying over from not getting that strike.
Little smile on his face. All right, here we go. The 10th and final frame, folks. What'll happen here?
Oh,
that was
we got
ugly.
2 pins left. At least they're
Leaving
together.
the 3 and 6.
Oh, I gotta try to pick up my spare here if I can.
Say you can get
I've
it.
got to get my bonus roll.
Hey,
Yeah.
you got it.
Woo!
No problem.
Guy's got more confidence than I do.
All right.
So here we
Yet
go.
again.
My last roll. Can he make it a strike? Make it a strike. Make it a strike.
Oh, you got split.
And pins.
I'm glad I don't have to try to pick it up. All right, that'll call it for D.
All right. Sorry, Team B. I let you down. We're going to chalk it up to more experience coming out of it.
Oh,
Oh my golly, look how bad. That's
Missed
so
down lane and
ugly.
boom, right through the finish.
that's crazy.
Takes out
If the
7-6.
if the object of the game was to hit as few pins as possible, I'd probably be up there. Oh, I don't even know.
We'll see
Let's
how
just
they handle this.
see if I can handle at least one.
Go for the middle. I don't know.
That's what I did.
Oh.
I got one.
Fails to pick it up. Big mistake there.
So here we go, folks. Let's see what the final tally is here.
That's the end of our broadcast, bowling
Oh.
fans. And
Oh.
I got 212. I got
212, all right.
128.
Well, folks, I guess that means that Team D won this time on the game night, on the B&D game night, and I think I'm going to go Old Testament. I'm going to read some from Proverbs. That's going to be my verse. Well, folks, it looks like Team D got the victory in episode number 2, and we evened things up at 1 challenge apiece. And so to the victor goes the spoils. So today, my Bible verse I have chosen, we're going Old Testament as well. We're going to Proverbs, the 3rd chapter, verses 5 and 6. There God's word tells us to trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thy own understandings, but in all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. Isn't that beautiful? That always makes me think, a lot of folks in life think that they ask themselves, why? What is my purpose? Why am I here? This tells us here that if we trust in God, if we come to the point where we find God, we come to the point where we believe in him, where we trust in him with all our heart. We let go of all that worldly thinking, all the fears, the doubts, the things that we have in this life. If we let go of that worldly understanding and we acknowledge him, we let go, we let God in our life. We acknowledge him that he is the one that should be directing our life, then he will. He will direct thy paths. Yes, so many folks in life are looking for a purpose. So many folks in life are looking for a reason while they're here. If they would only find God, they would find that reason. Trust in the Lord with all thy heart, and lean not unto thy own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him, and he shall direct thy paths. Folks, if you've enjoyed this video and it's brought value to your life, then let us know by hitting the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And remember to hit that bell notification as well, so you'll know as soon as a new video is released. And if you're on Team D or Team B, let us know in the comments below. Lord willing, we hope to see you in another edition. Until then, blessed wishes.